If you're between 70 and 80 years old and still able to do everyday tasks, you're truly remarkable, and you could live to be 100. Everyone wants to live longer, but things don't always go as planned. Many people don't make it to 70, and even worse, some reach 70 but quickly begin to struggle, relying on others for basic needs and unable to care for themselves. If you make it through the important years of 70 to 75, living to 80 is within reach. You should feel thankful that your body is still in good shape and you're able to manage your daily needs. Taking care of your health is crucial because it lets you cook, shop, clean, and even help your children, so you're not a burden to them. Staying active gives you a sense of purpose, and happiness is one of the best medicines. Physical fitness does naturally decline as we age, but regular exercise is key. Most importantly, remember that staying positive and happy can make all the difference. Open-mindedness and keeping a sharp mind are essential as you age. Many elderly people are taken advantage of financially, but staying informed can help protect you from this. Avoid scams by participating in community gatherings and activities focused on gratitude, instead of relying on so-called professional consultations. Financial independence is also important. While it's okay to ask your children for help, having your own savings and pension ensures you're not a burden on them. This independence helps you communicate better with your children, reducing conflicts. If your spouse is still alive and was your life partner, consider yourself lucky. Maintaining stable emotional connections within your family builds trust and stability. In later years, emotional bonds may not be as deep as they once were, but having a companion to share life's challenges is better than being alone. Couples in their later years have already faced the ups and downs of love. Now, what they need most is stability. For example, my neighbor is in a late-life relationship. He lost his first wife but raised his family with strength. Daughter alone, his family and friends advised him to get remarried, so he met his current wife through introductions. She gave birth to a son, and they were married after a month. From the outside looking in, they're just living together for convenience without the emotional bond of a married couple. The man doesn't seem to be as happy as he was with his first wife. Sometimes late-life couples live together for convenience, and the initial spark of love isn't easily rekindled. Continuing to learn and navigate life outside is important. Reading keeps the mind sharp and helps you stay informed. Knowing how to use modern technology for everyday tasks like paying bills online can be very beneficial. When you have interests, life never gets boring at 70. Having enjoyable pastimes is crucial for senior citizens to live happier lives. They don't have to push themselves to like something. An excellent pastime is anything that suits them, such as painting, singing, chess, or fishing. Older adults should continue to be playful. Many retirees feel lost after retirement, losing interest in everything or taking on the role of babysitter for their grandchildren, unwilling to spend time playing. Some elderly people think that as they age they should become more serious, but being a playful old person is great. If you don't try things you wouldn't have dared to when you were younger, it would be regrettable. Playing is about finding joy and confidence. Studies show that playful elderly people live longer than those who are physically decrepit. Age-related declines in social standing and the inability to take care of oneself might diminish adaptability and mental comfort, which can exacerbate psychological issues that worsen physical ailments and cause a person to lose confidence in life. On the other hand, comfort can train the brain's agility, lower the rate of memory loss, enhance blood flow and lung capacity, and engaging in social activities can foster a sense of community and friendship. Most importantly, playing benefits the elderly by alleviating mental loneliness and enhancing longevity. Newton enjoyed using straws to blow soap bubbles and was enthralled by their hues. Yuan, an economist, described himself as a master of games, making it his second career to play video games, write blogs, solve riddles, and write like young people. According to an old proverb, a person cannot be friends with someone who has hobbies if they are not a match. Seniors with interests are worth getting to know because your heart is still large and you don't bother evaluating yourself against others. It's been claimed that aging results in diminutive temperaments, tiny minds, and narrow perspectives. Conversely, it implies severe rages, being unreasonable, and being stubborn. If an elderly person can maintain an open mind, which is quite uncommon in daily life, and not be envious of others' achievements, it can lead to better health and happiness. Being in your 70s isn't that old, but don't be careless. Manage the rest of your life wisely. Continue to provide positive emotions to your family, show kindness to others, and your sense of happiness will grow stronger. Older people are still people, and people should live well, living each day to the fullest in today's society without belittling their own children or complaining about their income, and not worrying excessively about the future can lead to a fulfilling and happy life.